information Golf. Out. Munich information Golf. Met report com 1150, expect ILS approach runway 08, left runways at use 08, left and 08, right transition level 70. Wind variable 2 knots. Cav OK. Temperature 14. 2.8 QNH 1013 hectopascals trend. No significant change. Munich information Golf. Out. Munich information Golf. Met report com 1150, expect ILS approach runway 08, left runways at use 08, left and 08, right transition level 70. Wind variable 2 knots. Cav OK. Temperature 14. 2.8 QNH 1013 hectopascals trend. No significant change. Munich information Golf. Out. Munich information Golf. Met report com 1150, expect ILS approach runway 08, left runways at use 08, left and 08, right transition level 70. Wind variable 2 knots. Cav OK. Temperature 14. 2.8 QNH 1013 hectopascals trend. No significant change. Munich information Golf. Out. Munich information Golf. Met report com 1150, expect ILS approach runway 08, left runways at use 08, left at 08, right transition level 70. Wind variable 2 knots. Cav OK. Temperature 14. 2.8 QNH 1013 hectopascals trend. No significant change. Munich information Golf. Out. Munich information Golf. Met report com 1150, expect ILS approach runway 08, left runways at use 08, left and 08, right transition level 70. Wind variable 2 knots. Cav OK. Temperature 14. 2.8 QNH 1013 hectopascals trend. No significant change. Munich information Golf. Out. Munich information Golf. Met report com 1150, expect ILS approach runway 08, left runways at use 08, left and 08, right transition level 70. Wind variable 2 knots. Cav OK. Temperature 14. 2.8 QNH 1013 hectopascals trend. No significant change. Munich information Golf. Out. Munich information Golf. Met report com 1150, expect ILS approach runway 08, left runways at use 08, left and 08, right transition level 70.
Alright everyone, good evening. Welcome to the Sky Blue simulation stream. This is Drew, aka Sky Blue. So tonight, German ATC is online really early, so we'll try to take advantage of that and, you know, try and get a quick flight from Munich to Frankfurt and back if we can. We're going to be using the newly released ToLiSs version 1.1. Kind of excited. I hope we don't get a, you know, I hope I still remember how to fly it and the procedures. So I've set up part of the aircraft. What we're going to do now is type out the destination. We'll just set up the MCDU. EDS. It's going to be Lufthansa 85, align IRS, cost index of 15. Cruising flight levels 200 with a temperature of, let's see. Okay, 200 with a temperature of minus 15. Tropopause, it's going to be minus, 451. How come the entry's out of range though? Okay, regardless. Entry out of range. Right, top of climb wind for 200. It's going to be 239 at 54. At flight level 200. So that's the init. So we'll go to our flight plan. I will copy my flight plan. It became give me 6 echo. Give me 217 information Foxtrot. So we'll go ahead and tune in to Munich delivery at 121.72. And then to Munich approach on 1239. I hope it's not called Langen radar or anything. Come on. Yeah, it's gonna be Munich radar. Alright, here we go. Munich delivery, hello Lufthansa 85 radio check. Roger, Lufthansa 85, information Foxtrot, Airbus A321 at stand 217, request clearance Frankfurt.
Lufthansa 85, check-in for Golf, startup approved, clear destination Frankfurt, give me 6 echo departure route, runway 08 right, climb flight level 70, squawk 2330.
Information Golf current cleared Frankfurt by give me 6 echo departure runway 08 right flight plan route climb flight level 70 squawk 2337.
Lufthansa 85 just confirmed, squawk 2330.
Affirm, squawk 2337 Lufthansa 85.
Lufthansa 85 squawk 2330, 0, not 7.
Squawk 2330 Lufthansa 85.
Lufthansa 85, now read back correct or pushback, contact München 8, correct München approach 123.
Contact 123.9 for push clearance Lufthansa 85. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, 7000 and squawk 2330, not 7. Okay. So squawk 2330. Okay, so we're cleared via give me 6 via runway 8 right. So that's the routing give me, and then Airways Yankee 101 Tango 161 to Spisa. I need to disconnect and reconnect from VATSIM for a bit. It was very choppy. Then Spesa 1 Golf, they're doing arrivals of runway 25. We'll do that, 25 center. Oh no! No, approach is... Oh no, the approach is still online, sorry. Hello Ben, welcome. Yep, I'm back in the Airbus. I figured, you know, Europe was online, so I think it's the... Well, not Europe, rather, what do you call this? Germany was online, so why not give it, you know, why not fly there now? Charlie. Okay, I guess there's no VIA for this one then.
München Airways 253 cleared Malta Turbo 6 Quebec departure, initially climb 7,000 feet, squawk 2316, München Airways 253.
München Airways 253, departure route is Turbo 6 Echo.
The alternate flight plan, so that's gonna be... Wow, this is a lot. Anarchy, 9 Foxtrot, Airways, it's going to be Yankee 163, Yankee 171, and 850. And then Tango 128 to Badzo. Alright, and then Stuttgart, Badzo 2 Alpha. ILS 07. Novia. Captain J is online, and Manila. Yep. Yeah, 32 knots. That is insane, Sobra. I hope he gets his landing safely done. Okay, RadNav. So Navigraph. I'm gonna look at runway 08 left. Or rather, this give me 6 echo departure. DMS. And then it's gonna be 080 in case we need to return back to the field. Okay, in it. So this is where we let's see. LH. Sorry, hold on. DLHH. Okay, the loading performance. So our fuel uplifting is going to be 6634. We're gonna put 67. Let's put one extra. ZFW 68 and 12. So let's see. Alright, 68,012. We'll put 076. Alright, that's good. Apply these load settings. So we have ZFW of 68.1, CG of 27.2. The block fuel is 6.7. Alright, we're good. Perf, so I'm not going to use the ToLiSs perf. I'm going to use my own speed calculator. Okay, takeoff shift is going to be, let's see, 2840. So 4000 minus 2840 is 1160. We'll do an intersection departure. Flaps 1, then trim's going to be up 0.1. I'm getting a flex of 76. V1, VR, V2, so 155. 155, 160. Transition altitude is, let's see. Transition altitude is indeed 5000. Thrust reduction altitude, so 14, say 15, yeah, 1487, 1490 plus 8, 2290. Then 3000, it's going to be 490. Engine acceleration is 2290. Okay, Prague, so it's going to be Munich 08 right, in case you have to return back to the field. Secondary will confirm that as well. Secondary EDDM. Zero 08 right. Yeah, so Ben, flex takeoff is a way to preserve the life of the engines by using a lesser thrust takeoff rather than full throttle or toga takeoff. So that's a flex takeoff. So you put a flex temperature to fool the aircraft that you're operating at this temperature, so it gives you the optimal thrust to reduce to save on fuel and engine maintenance. Yeah. Anyway, yeah, there's a number of like YouTube videos on it. You might want to consult those as well, because it's there's like a science to it. I think depends. All right, QH1014 constraint. Speed dashes, setting dashes, altitude 7000 set, VS dashes, oxygen mask test. Okay, PFD reading. So we got climb down blue 1 FD2, 155 blue, 160 magenta, wings level, 7000 blue selected. QH1014 giving us 1500 feet indicated. ND reading ground speed 0, present position. VOR2 hard tune to Munich VOR. And pressure, line elevation auto 350 feet. Status of the aircraft is normal. Let's turn on the APU. Just a delayed APU start because I want to save on fuel as well. Alright, here we go. So departure briefing, guys. This is Lufthansa 85 from Munich to Frankfurt. The aircraft we're using is Delta-Alpha India Sierra Papa. It is an Airbus A321-231 with IE V2533-Alpha 5 engines. Nav database cycle 2011 is current. Status of the aircraft is normal. No MELs, CDLs, OEBs, or any technical items affecting our departure at this time. So right now we're parked at spot 217. According to chart 10-9, Charlie, 21st August 2020, for Munich Airport, Munich, Germany. So, 217, from spot 217, we'll push on to Whiskey 2 facing south. Expected taxi route will be, we'll request first the Bravo 4 intersection. So Sierra, Bravo 4. We'll do an intersection takeoff on Bravo 4, depart on the Give Me 6 Echo departure, chart 10-3 Mike, 17th May 2019, effective 23rd May. Munich radar is going to be at, let's see, yeah, 123.9er. As published, airport elevation 1487, transition altitude 5000. Remain on tower frequency. We'll disregard this because approach is online. SIDs are also minimum noise routings. Adhere within the limits of the aircraft performance is mandatory. Parallel departures in progress. Proceed exactly on extended center line until starting turns as published in departures. Give me 6 Echo departure, speed max 250 knots below flight level 100 or as per ATC. MSA for this procedure is from the Munich locator, 3,700 all around. So give me 6 Echo departures as follows. Initial climb clearance flight level 70. SID give me 6 Echo, runway 08 right. Routing climb on runway track to 2.6 Munich or 1,900, whichever is later. Turn left, intercept 312 bearing to Mike NDB, 307 bearing to give me, then en route. I'll make a right. So operationally, we've got the ATIS. We've got information golf. Stand by. Information golf. QNH is now 1013. Temperature 14. Expect the ILS 08 right. So speed. This will be a right seat takeoff. Speeds are calculated for a dry runway 08 right. And how come? Hold on. From Bravo 4 intersection, so shift of 1160. Flaps 1 trim up 0.1 flex 76. V1 VRV2 155 155 160. Transition altitude 5000. Thrust reduction acceleration altitude are 2290 and 4490 feet respectively. Engine acceleration is 200 and 290 feet. So actually let's do a one engine taxi. Once we push back from the gate, of course we'll just start engine number engine number 1 only. Once we yeah, we'll do anti-ice on and packs on takeoff. So once we turn right on Sierra, we'll start the second engine. Yeah, so and then continue from there. And if we have to return back immediately to the airfield, we don't have to consider an overhead landing procedure. So that's the departure briefing or safety briefing. So any failure before V1, recall a stop. I'll apply maximum reversers and full braking. And one stop on the runway, I'll apply the parking brakes. For fire is evident, I'll call cabin crew to stations. Otherwise, I'll call cabin crew passengers to remain seated. And order ECAM actions. If an evacuation is needed, we'll follow the evacuation procedure on the opposite side of the normal checklist. Pilot monitoring actions will be to monitor spoilers, reverse green, decel, and one stop on our runway. We'll call our frequency Lufthansa 85 stop on runway. For any failure after V1, if the calls go, continue takeoff, apply toga thrust if available. No actions before 400 AGL except gear up and silence or warnings. Reaching 400 AGL, have controls, comms, call and frequency, pan, Lufthansa 85 within H of the emergency, and then order recam actions. Reaching engine acceleration altitude, if the engine is secure, push the level off, clean up and accelerate, otherwise continue climb until the engine is secure but not above maximum engine acceleration altitude. At green dot speed, pull up and climb, set thrust MCT, resume ECAM after takeoff checklist status. Our USID will maintain runway heading climb until the MSA get vectors back to runway 08 right. If ATC is unable to provide services or land ASAP red, we'll enter a right downwind runway 08 right and commence emergency landing. So to my pilot monitoring, CRM at all times, monitor my flying, see any deviations, call it out. You have to cross your instruments, call it out. Have any questions? No? Alright. The departure briefing is complete. Wow. Ben, no. V1, VR, V2, flex stamp. So you say the speed, and then you say toga. You don't have to say the value anymore because if you clear a value like this, wait, yeah. So if you don't insert any value, the aircraft will assume you're doing a toga takeoff. Okay. Right. So let's see. The cabin is ready. That external power. I'll do the parking brakes off first so that we can
Ground to
get any
cockpit.
bugs.
Ground to cockpit. Show me where you want to go.
The parking brake is whoa. We're being pulled back. Okay. All right, here we go, guys. So before start checklist, I get my checklist here. So cockpit prep completed, gear pins and covers removed, assigns on, ADRS. Now fuel quantity, 6,700 kilograms set, takeoff data, set, BARF, QH1013 set, 1013 set, down to the line, below the line. So let me just tune in to the approach frequency. So cabin is ready, beacon light on, thrust levers idle, parking brake on.
Okay, all doors and hatches are closed, ready to connect. Set, parking brake.
Yeah, parking brake set. There you go, parking brake set. Below the line, windows and doors closed, beacon on, thrust levers idle, parking brake on. 4-star checklist complete. Alright, let's go contact Munich radar. On. Sorry, Munich radar. Yeah. Munich radar, hello. Lufthansa 85, information Golf, stand 217, request push and start.
Lufthansa 85 for push and start, contact München Tower 118.7, see you soon.
118.7, talk to you soon, Lufthansa 85. Alright, so he's online now.
Yeah, request pushback.
Mission Airbus 253 Tower, close call, pushback approved, facing south, orange line.
Pushback is approved, facing south on the orange line, Mission Airbus 253.
Are there colored lines here? I don't see anything. There we go. Munich Tower, hello, Lufthansa 85, information Golf, stand 217, request push and start.
Lufthansa 85, hello, pushback approved, facing south.
Pushback approved, facing south, Lufthansa 85, thank you.
Ground to cockpit. Please show me where you want to go.
Alright, so here we go.
How connected and bypass pin inserted. Release parking brake.
On the clock.
Starting pushback, and you may start the engines.
Okay, off block time is 1233 Zulu with 6,680 kilograms. Alright, good to be back in this Airbus A321. So let's go here to ground level. Once we cross this line, we can go ahead and start the engines. We don't want to blow any vehicles away, do we? Alright, let's go ahead and start engine 2. Engine mode selector ignition. So no other ember crosses, bleed air on the right, starting engine 2. Sorry, starting engine 1. Sorry, starting engine 1. We're doing a one engine taxi. I almost forgot. Yeah, so again, starter valve opens, N2 increases, ignition Bravo, fuel flow, EGT, N1, oil pressure, starter valve close, and the ignition disappears. Alright, get started engine 1. Now let's see if we can make it 2 legs, guys. This is gonna be a short flight.
Operation complete. Please set parking brake.
Brake set.
Disconnecting tow. Stand by.
Pump on. Cross bleed open. APU bleed on. Engine 1 anti-ice on. Yeah, I don't have the Sputnik checklist for now. I need to. I'll do the after start checklist once we start the second engine. So we can do a brakes check, but we cannot do a flight controls check. Alright, clear to disconnect, hand signals on the right.
München Airways 253, ready for taxi.
Munich Airbus 253, taxi by the orange at 3 Sierra 5.
Tow is disconnected and bypass pin has been removed. Hand signal on the right. I'll see you next time and have a safe flight.
Alright. So once we get the hand signals, let's request our taxi.
Munich Airbus 253, report ready for Bravo 4 intersection.
Hand signals and pins received.
München Airways 253 is able, Bravo 4.
Roger, beyond Sierra 5, continue Sierra Bravo 4, holding point 08 right.
After Sierra 5, continue taxi, Sierra Bravo 4, holding short runway 08 right, München Airways 253.
Yeah, let's do that as well. Munich Tower, Lufthansa 85, request taxi, Bravo 4 intersection.
Lufthansa 85, Bravo 4 is copied, text initially Sierra 7 via Whiskey 2.
Sierra 7 via Whiskey 2, Lufthansa 85. Left side, clear right side. We're gonna turn off and taxi lights on. Parking brake, wait, no, parking brake off. Yep, non-standard. I have to move this to normal, the engine most likely to norm manually. Unlike in the Embraer and Boeing. Alright, let's go. Alright, brakes check. Pressure 0.
Lufthansa 85, after Sierra 7, continue Sierra Bravo 4, holding point 08 right.
After Sierra 7, right Sierra, Bravo 4, holding point 08 right, Lufthansa 85. Okay. Alright, one engine taxi. Good thing I still know how to do this. This is gonna be a heavy plane, but sure. It's all about the fuel savings, guys. It's all about the fuel savings. All right.
München Airways 253, ready for departure when reaching Bravo 4.
Munich Airbus 253, wind 140 degrees 3 knots, 08 right, clear for takeoff.
08 right, clear for takeoff, München Airways 253.
This is how slow it is when you're taxiing with one engine. Even though, you know, if it's the maximum is 40, I really want to keep it at 30. What should you do, packs off before takeoff? When you enter the runway, that's when you do it. You turn it back on when you start to reduce the thrust. Like thrust reduction, the thrust climb, that's when you start doing it one by one. There we go, so clear left side, clear right side. This is Sierra on our right side. So we'll start engine 2 after. Let's hope for a good landing later. Alright, here we go. So let's go ahead and start engine number 2. So engine mode selectors ignition, elec pump off, APU bleed on, and starting engine 2. And 2 increasing.
Neighbors 253, radar 123, decimal 950.
München Radar 123, decimal 9, ciao, Flug 50.
And why should you packs off while if left alone would happen? Nothing would really happen. Packs off allows for more air to get into the engines instead of on the air conditioning. So your performance on takeoff would be better than with packs on. Kasi packs on, it has to supply the air conditioning. Alright, here we go. Engine 2. Auto, APU bleed, engine, yep. Both anti-ice on, must switch off. Alright. Status of the air, wait. I forgot to do the flow, so it's been a while, guys. Flaps 1. And trim is going to be up 0.1. This one I forgot to do, I'm sorry guys. Being complacent. Okay, after start checklist, anti-ice on, ECM status checked. Pitch trim is 27% CG set, rudder trim 0. After start checklist complete, flight controls check. Flight control, full up, full down, neutral, full left, full right, neutral, rudder, full left, full right, neutral. Okay, we did the flow, so taxi flow, MD, weather. Okay, cabin is ready. Right before start checklist, flight controls check, flight instruments check, briefing runway 08 right at Bravo 4 confirmed. Lab setting, config 1+F set, B1, BR, B2, flex temp, 155, 155, 160, flex 76, ATC, squawking 2330, mode transponder set, EK memo, takeoff no blue, down to the line. Ben, I'm using IAE engines for this Lufthansa. Lufthansa, I think, uses both CFM and IAE. Nagkataon lang na the delivery I downloaded was called for IAE engines. That's after Bravo 6 is going to be Bravo 4. We'll be ready by then.
Lufthansa 85, are you ready when reaching?
Lufthansa 85, A firm.
Lufthansa 85, roger. There's no inbound traffic for southbound runway, so take your time. Wind 1408, 3 knots, 0 right, clear for takeoff.
Runway 08, right clear for takeoff. Lufthansa 85. Okay, guys, let's that was very early. Let's do this. All right, let's do this. Landing lights on. Clear for takeoff already. Strobe lights on. And TCAS will do TRA. Okay. Below the line checklist upon reaching. Alright, he's given us an early takeoff clearance. That's going to be good for us. Okay, clear right side. And come on, give me left side. What the heck? No, where's the left side? Clear left side. Alright. Okay, runway 8 right at Bravo 4 confirmed. Runway 8 right at Bravo 4 confirmed. Below the line, takeoff runway 8 right at Bravo 4 confirmed. Cabin crew, seats for departure please. Advise TCAS, TA, RA, engine mode selector norm, packs on before takeoff checklist complete. Okay, let's do this. Tora 2840 meters checked. Okay, approach clear, runway clear. So this will be a quick takeoff. Takeoff.
Check.
Manflex 76 SRS runway auto thrust blue. Checked.
Okay, begin flow. V1 rotate. V2 positive flat.
Gear up.
Gear and up.
Nav.
Check.
Munich Tower Lufthansa 225 when you're ready.
Lufthansa 225, heavy, hello, radio 5.
Thank you, 5 as well.
Thrust flying bottle thrust.
Check. Gear up and locked.
Climb alt 7000 blue.
Check.
altimeters. Lufthansa 85 airborne.
Lufthansa 85, contact radar 123.9, goodbye.
Radar 123.9, bye bye. Lufthansa 85. Altimeter standard.
Setting altimeter reference back to standard.
Cross check. Passing flight level 55 now. Check no difference. Munich radar hello. Lufthansa 85 5000. Correction. Flight level 57. Climbing flight level 70.
Lufthansa 85, Munich radar, there was identified, flight level 190.
Flight level 190. Lufthansa 85. Flight level 190.
Setting flight 190.
Open climb.
Open climb selected.
First climb, open climb, Alpha level 190 blue. Flaps 0.
Lufthansa 9 Kilo, descent 5000 feet, QNH 1013.
Flaps 0.
5000 feet,
Speed check. Flaps up.
Flap 0 flow. Flap 0 flow.
Roger. Ready for checklist.
After takeoff checklist, landing gear up. Flaps retracted. Packs on. After takeoff climb checklist complete. Alright, looks like we're good on our departure. No expected turbulence. Seatbelts off. Rather, just seatbelts auto instead.
Munich radar, hello, Lufthansa 1405, passing flight level 159, speed 280 on the radar. Lufthansa 1405, Munich radar, there was identified, information, India current, expect ILS, the right left. India on board, expecting the right left, Lufthansa 1405, danke für die. Lufthansa 1405, direct Delta Mike 422. Delta Mike 422, Lufthansa 105. Hello, Lufthansa 1 India, testing flight level 196, speed 280.
Autopilot 2 on.
Lufthansa 13 India, Munich radar, there was identified
AP2.
India current, expect ILS, the right left.
Landing lights tracked.
Expect the right left.
Report. Turn on ND.
Lufthansa 85, contact Munich radar 134.150, bye-bye.
134.150. Lufthansa 85. Goodbye. So 15. Munchen radar, hello, Lufthansa 85, flight level 120, climbing flight level 190.
Lufthansa 85, hello, München identified, climb flight level 200.
Flight level 200, Lufthansa 85. Okay, we're good. So again, we departed 6 minutes ago, so 6 minutes was 48, 1248.
Lufthansa 18 Golf, contact arrival 123.9, goodbye.
So
123.9, Lufthansa 1 Golf, thank you.
hey guys, so our top of climb is going to be let's see. Top of climb is going to be 1258, so that's going to be 3 minutes from now. Just enough for a few cinematics. Okay, below the line. Barrier standard set, after takeoff climb checklist complete. Okay.
Going 4343, descent altitude 9,000 feet, QNH München 1013. QNH München 1013, descending 9,000 feet.
looking at the next waypoints. Let's have to review. Okay, so that's let's hope I remember how to land this thing. Cruising, alt cruise. So we do below. Check all the ice not detected. Roger. Ice not detected. Now do the destination data. Check all these systems pages. Bleed, cap pressure, elec, hydraulics, fuel. We're burning 51 kilograms in APU. Status aircraft is normal. Alright, so it seems like our top of descent is quite near already. 1306. That's 6 minutes from now. So let's hand off, pretend to hand off to the pilot monitoring with controls. Speed, L cruise, nav. AP2, 152 auto thrust. Maintain flight level 200. Your controls. Alright, so let's approach. Alright, enter destination data. 122.8, bye bye, Lufthansa 85. Oh no, they're offline. One of them is offline. I don't know if it's gonna be Langen radar or München radar. .122.8, that's my hated frequency. Smoking is on, of course. Roger. So let's try and do this then. Frankfurt. Oh no, there's no more. Jesus Christ. Yeah, so it's just gonna be one flight then, because there's no more ATC, I guess. At least we departed with ATC, and that's what kind of matters, but I'm not really entirely sure. Right, so weather for EDDF. Oh, nice. So it's QNH 1008. Temperature is 17. Wind is 160 at 4. Do we have any magnetic variation on the field? No. Conflict full, of course. Let's see, MDA. So it's going to be 25 center. Approach radar ground 1.55. Left push 248. Right go 4000. Category 1 minimums will be 564. That's rounded up to 565. And let me check the routing. So we can go down to 5000. When it says, oh my god. So when it says it's an initial approach fix, I think I have to do the RNAV this time. Let's see. RNAV 25 center. Or we can just self-vector ourselves to let's see. Charlie. Hold on, guys. Spessa, Kuguk, Red Go. Yeah, we can do this instead. Alright. So RadNav, we'll set it to Frankfurt 114.2. Then course of 248. Prague EDDF 25 center. Approach prediction, secondary flight plan. So I guess we can put the sidestep runway just in case. Make it a 25 left. Okay, so after determining our performance, after determining the performance, we get to land Lima 10. Lima 10, so it's going to be a short stop. 1,700. So we can do auto brakes low, max reversers, and flaps full. Alright guys, so let's do an arrival briefing. So this is Lufthansa 85 from Munich to Frankfurt. The aircraft we're using is Delta Alpha India Sierra Papa. It is an Airbus A321-231 with IAE V25 33-Alpha 5 engine, cycle 2011 is current. Status of the aircraft is normal, no MELs, CDLs, or OBs, technical items affecting our arrival. So 0 ATC, weather, we've got winds 160 at 4, cab okay, temperature is 17. Let's see, we will go for runway 25, center for arrival. Temperature 17, QNH 1008. Right, so fuel remaining at the destination will be 4.7 tons, extra fuel 1.9 tons, extra time 43 minutes. So right now, we're on the Tango 161 Airways, Sirio, Tostu, Lepsa, then Spessa. Our top of descent is coming in a bit. We'll set that to 5,000, below the bottom of descent altitude. And we'll brief the star chart. So it's going to be chart 10-2 Alpha 5, 17th April 2020, effective 23rd April. For Frankfurt Main Airport, Frankfurt Main, Germany, are now arrival. MSA for this procedure from the airport reference point, 4,300. ATIS, there's just the Matar, airport elevation is 364. Altimeter setting hectopascals, transition level by ATC, let's go for 6,000 I guess. Hold on. 5,000. Let's go 6,000. The transition level. RNAV1, RNP equivalent GPS required, and DME or DME are you not authorized. Special 1 Golf runway 25 center RNAV arrival by ATC. Max 250 knots below flight level 100 or S by ATC, not applicable within airspace Charlie. So from clearance limit SPESA, we'll clear ourselves for the approach. If we have to hold at SPESA, holding course 284, standard turns to the right. Minimum holding altitude 5,000. SPESA 1 Golf 5,000. At or above 5,000 by Kuguk. The initial pressure is runway 25 center. We'll go back to ourselves to Red Go. One of the fixes here on the 25 center. Okay, hold on. Thrust, idle, descent, off level 050 blue. 11-7, 10th July 2020, effective 16th July. So, comm frequencies is published, ATC 0, no ATC at all except, oh, Frankfurt Tower. Guys, hold on, I need to use the toilet, be right back. Flight level 120. Alright, let's contact 120.8. Langen radar, hello. Lufthansa 85, flight level 160, descending flight level 120 initially.
Lufthansa 85, Langen radar identified, check-in for Alpha, cleared Spesa 25 Sierra transition, descent level 110, be leveled by Spesa.
Send flight level 110 to be labeled by Spesa. We'll check information Alpha and cleared Spesa 1. Arrival, runway 25 center transition.
95 negative, it's Spesa 25 Sierra transition, expect ILS 25 left.
Expect ILS 25 left and Spesa 25 Sierra transition. Lufthansa 85. Fuck. Right, hold on. So it's Pisa at 1,000. And he said ILS 25 left, so now we have to hold on. It's Pisa 25 Sierra. ILS 25 left. It's Pisa. Sierra. From Charlie. Okay, 1,000. So I have to brief 25 left now.
Sign 510 rising 310, descent 4000 feet, QNH 1008.
KH1008, turn right heading 310, descend maintain 4000, and we have information Alpha, Lufthansa 85. Okay, heading 310, open descent, alt 4000 blue, set. Stand by, guys. We just got slapped with a... Seriously, we get slapped with a Mike 17. Hold on, I need to recalculate again. Okay, Mike 17 is 1,870 meters. And config full, auto brakes low. Alright guys, so let's do this again. So briefing for 25 center. We'll just do the quick briefing. 10-2 Golf, space at 25 Sierra, RNAV transition. Alright, we're getting vectored now.
Sun 453, long radar identified.
So 25 11-6, 10th July 2020, effective 16th July. We have ATC now. Localizers FSW 101.15. Final approach course 248, lead key 4000. Category 1 minimums will be 562. We set 565, rounded up, that's good. MSA from the Frankfurt VOR from northeast to northwest sector is 3500, and the north sector is 4300. So if we take the approach from lead key, joining the final approach course of 248, stand by. 1000. Seatbelts on, lights on, LS, straight LS, so that's perhaps normal. The 248, so 3-degree glide path from lead key down to minimums as published at 4000. At minimums, you don't have the required runway berm inside. Approach line system type 2. Runway and indicator lights and path on the left side. The missed approach. Climb straight ahead to 5.5 DME. Foxtrot Mike. Turn left to intercept radial 243. Foxtrot Mike Frankfurt. Then to 8 DME or 5000, whichever is later. Turn left to Charlie VR, maintain 5000.
453, descent level 100.
So if we continue our landing, runway 25 left. Chart 10-9, 21st August 2020, Frankfurt, Maine. Landing runway 25 left, heading 248.
Lufthansa 85, turn left heading 290, cleared ILS 25 left.
Left heading 290, cleared ILS runway 25 left, Lufthansa 85. So Mike 17 will be using auto brake slow, maximum reversers, flaps full, and early decelerated and fully managed approach, and then any gate via Mike Lima November, and then to the gate. Right, that's our departure briefing. Let's do sterile cockpit, guys. I will see you guys on the ground. Speed brakes full. We'll activate the approach phase. Speed 247 for now. Hold that speed. Cleared for the ILS. GS logbook, Cat 3 dual, AP1 and 2, passing transition level, set change 1008, cross check, passing 5,000 now, check the difference. Okay, approach checklist, briefing, confirm, ecam status check, seat belts on, bar FKH 1008 set, minimum MD 565 set, engine mode selector, norm, approach checklist complete. Let's do this, speed 180. Alt. Flaps 1.
Speed check flaps 1.
Let's go. Hey hey Chief Simpa. Yeah, I saw. I know you're Captain Reynolds. I saw your video on like the tips and tricks. That was a good video, man. I haven't finished the video yet. I'm gonna try and finish it later. Don't worry, man. I know who you are. Thanks for stopping by the stream. So here we go. Loc. And 5,000. Oh, nice.
The 85, speed 200 knots until Ledkey.
Speed 200 knots until Ledkey, Lufthansa 85. Okay. Well, let's see if we can do a second flight, guys. Let's see.
Radar, good afternoon.
G-Star. Let's approach 5,000 set.
3,000 feet.
Condor 2050, Langrider identified, climb flight level 130.
Wind speed.
130, Condor
Flaps 2.
2050.
Speed check.
Lufthansa 453, descent flight level 80.
GS. Runway inside.
453 heavy. Lufthansa 85, speed 170 knots until 5 miles final.
170 knots until 5 mile finals, Lufthansa 85. Gear down.
Gear speed check. Move it down.
Flight attendant seats for landing, please. We've got a. That's some kind of big wind right there.
$2,500.
Check. Until 5 mile final, he says.
Lufthansa 85, contact Frankfurt Tower 119.9, goodbye.
119.9, goodbye, Lufthansa 85. Frankfurt Tower, hello, Lufthansa 85, 6 mile final, 25 left.
2,000.
Lufthansa 85, Frankfurt Tower, hello. People visual report, runway 25 center.
Cleared visual approach runway 25 center, Lufthansa 85.
Oh no, the question was if you are able
A-firm, Lufthansa 85, we'll take visual 25 center.
Lufthansa 85, in case of missed approach, climb 5,000 feet on runway heading.
Flaps 3.
Approach, runway 25 center.
Speed, check.
Cleared visual approach, runway
flaps,
25 center, Lufthansa 85, thank you. Okay, sidestep approach, woo!
85, the wind 160 degrees 4 knots, runway 25 center, clear to land.
Runway 25 center, clear land, Lufthansa 25. Correction, Lufthansa 85. Flaps full.
Speed, check. Flaps 4.
Alright, sidestep approach. Woo! Have these off. Bird on. What? We lost the... Oh god, really? It's okay, let's go down.
1,000.
Really? I lost the runway after that? Alright, here we go. Yeah, still managed to do it. That was scary. Okay, auto thrust off, coming off as well.
Master caution.
Heading 255.
Setting heading 255.
Heading 247.
Set. Select heading 247.
Flight Tower 363488
500.
0. Thank you for your service.
Glide slow.
Have a nice day, bye bye.
400.
Disregard.
Glide slow. Glide slow.
300. 200. 100. 50. 40. 30. 20. Retard. 10. 5.
Reverse. Blue. Knots.
Lufthansa 85 vacated Lima 13. Request taxi any stand.
Short taxi time or long taxi time?
Short taxi time.
Okay, then it will be Victor 163 via November 10 and November.
Victor 163 via November 10 November. Thank you for the taxi instructions. Lufthansa 85. Thank you for the taxi instructions. Clean up.
Clean up. Cancel flow.
Continue flow. Continue flow.
Check.
Let's go disconnect from VATSIM. I want to park at the gate actually. Okay. Yeah, I want to park at the gate. I'm sorry. All right, that was pretty good. That was pretty good. That was a surprise sidestep landing. Ah. That is pretty tough to do when you're just one pilot only. Usually you're a co-pilot with a... What do you call this? It would set it up for you. Ooh, alright, so let's see if I can book the next flight. I'm gonna be departing in 30 minutes, so 10 o'clock. 1400, hold on guys. Okay, clear right side, clear left side. Yeah, I want to park at this gate at least. Approaching the gate. Approaching the gate.
Roger.
Stand Alpha 40.
Ready for parking.
Visual guidance docking system A321. Telling me to turn. Telling me to turn left. Ah. Hold on. Stop. Parking brake. Parking brake, come on. On. Okay, shutting down engine 1 and 2. Wait, what? Oh, did you not start the APU? I told you to clean up. Oh my gosh. Oh, you did not. Why did you not continue with your flow? Oh my gosh. Really? You didn't. You really didn't. You didn't do the flow. My pilot monitoring forgot to do. Okay. External power on. Oh my gosh. She didn't do a good job. Alright, let's connect as observer. We're gonna be Lufthansa, yeah, 86 or something. Okay. Parking. God, that's embarrassing. Alright, let's take a look at the replay and then I need to follow the next flight plan actually, guys. Okay, parking checklist, APU bleed, on, engines off, seat belts off, exterior lights, nav logo 1 set, fuel pumps. We'll do this by ourselves, I can't believe it. Off, parking brake and chocks, brakes on, chocks not set, parking checklist complete. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go for a second flight. Let me just get back to you guys in chat, hold on. Reflight. So guys, welcome to Frankfurt Airport. Welcome to Frankfurt Airport. Yeah, not too much traffic here. Let's see if we can do a quick second flight. So disconnect from VATSIM. Let me just copy paste my details. We're on block at 1330 Zulu and 4,480 kilograms. Right, so you look pump on, I guess. Nope, the flaps are gonna stay drooped. Jesus Christ. Yeah, you guys gotta remember that the checklist is a silent checklist, the after landing checklist, so that's why I didn't call it out. But I think I'll do it next time because apparently my pilot monitoring doesn't want to get it. Alright, let's do the replay. Enough jibber jabber. Alright, let's go and see this. See what happened here. What kind of crazy stunt we pulled. we made one hell of a side. Wow, that cloud, really, it's not supposed to be there. That is not realistic weather. Okay, Captain Geo, hello, hello, hello. Welcome to the stream. You just reached the conclusion of the first leg. We're gonna go to the second leg. All right, here we go. Bad CRM, yep. Final question before you leave. So TA is just traffic advisory. It will tell you traffic. If it's TRA, RA is resolution advisory. The aircraft will tell you to climb or descend as needed. Nice. That's pretty good. That was pretty good. I love this. I love this Airbus. This Airbus is my best plane. I don't ever anyone says about it. It's my best plane. Heck yeah. Sidestep. That's too good. That's pretty good. Can't believe it. To the controller who gave me a 2.5 center sidestep, thank you so much. I loved it. Nice butter. See you, Ben. Thanks for kind of hopping along the stream. And shout out to our viewers right now who just made this amazing bit of landing in Frankfurt. Kind of amazing, yeah. Yeah, I gotta follow the flight plan. Hold on, guys. Seriously. Let me just finish following up this flight plan and then let's fly. Let's fly. That was a good experience. I love VATSIM. The things you can do. The things you can do. The things you do not expect. When you say expect the unexpected, I did not expect this one. This view. Alright guys, I'm almost done setting up for the next leg. Just let me spam these. Nice. Alright, next we'll do the OBS view. So after this, I'm almost done with the best believe I'm almost done with the preparations. Whoa.
500.
Glide slope.
400.
Glide slope.
And then I turned it off in disgust.
Glide slope.
300. 200. 100. 50. 40. 30. 20. Retard. 10. 5.
Alright, almost ready. Let's see, sim brief. That's bad CRM. Alright. Alright, let's get to the gate. I'm gonna start the next flight. Oh god, there's a floating 7-3. Okay, never mind. He was floating. Alright, so still power on. Let's do the APU off. We want to save on fuel. We'll be uplifting.
Lufthansa 898 wind 180 degrees, 7 knots, runway 18, clear for takeoff. Runway 18, clear for takeoff, Lufthansa 898.
Let me just start the next. Hold on, guys. Have patience. Okay, Lufthansa. So I'm just looking through the charts right now, trying to get it set up. So bear with me while I do this. It doesn't seem to indicate anything with regards to noise abatement. Okay, Cindy 1 Lima. Cindy 1 Lima. And VOR.
Lufthansa 8989, contact Langenräder on 120 decimal 8.
25 left.
What is the decimal 8? Gleich. Lufthansa 8989. Jo, ist.
We'll do 08 left for the landing runway at Munich. Let's see, Anor. Anor 3 Alpha, Island 08 left. Taxi, arrival.
Lufthansa 8989 along the radar identified, climb flight level 130.
Alright, there we go. So I've got the charts ready. We're all set up. I'm gonna put it to flight info now. There we go. So Lufthansa 86 from Frankfurt to Munich. Here we go. Ron Tesoro, hello. Lei, hello. Just in time for the second leg. Alright, here we go. So pilot monitoring, engines off. Shout out to both of you, of course. Let's see. Okay, down, wipers off. APU, start. Forced, disarm, flap 0 selected and indicated. Recall, just breaks out. So door, hydraulics, engines, and the brakes aren't hot anymore. Okay, aircraft is normal.
8989 direct Zuburg.
Okay, pilot. Okay, pilot monitoring will now assume external walk around. Pilot flying flow, so all white lights off. Control push button. So int.
And flight 999, beginning on
test.
to decimal H-row.
1, 2, 3, strobe lights auto, nav lights 1, seatbelts, so assigns on. We don't have a new ATIS probably. Hold on. Alright, information Bravo, runways in use, we'll expect 18 center. QNH is 1008. Reset, anti-skid is on. Other cockpit door, recall, thrust levers idle, engines off, parking brake on. 2000 on to above standby. Okay, let's do our let's do our flow. Baka sakaling kasabay mo si Toga Gaming as box 4623 sa first. Wala akong narinig eh, actually. Or hindi ko lang kung saan siya galing. Pero ito, this is the second leg pabalik ng Munich. So here we go. Constraints. Yeah, we'll do plan mode 20. Here we go. So in it, we'll do EDDF, EDDM. Alternate will be EDDN. Flight number is going to be 86. Cost index is 15. Cruising flight level is 210. Temperature is going to be -17. The wind is going to be 229er at 6.8. 229er at 6.8. The altitude of flight level 210. Flight plan. So we'll assume runway 18 for departure. Let's see. So notes, you got information Bravo, stand Alpha 40, and then runway 18. There we go.
Speedbird 245, descent 4000 feet, QNH 1008.
Wait, what? How come I'm hearing? Yeah, how come?
Lufthansa 39 X-ray Alpha, ready for pushback and startup.
Runway 18. Cindy.
Station
1
calling
Sierra.
Lufthansa 39 X-ray Alpha.
39 X-ray Alpha, pushback approved.
Munich to okay, I see. You're gonna fly tomorrow in the US. I don't know, depends. I mean, siguro, kasi you know the US is online in the mornings in the Philippines, so maybe. Okay, initial climb clearance we're gonna be expecting 4,000. Well, 4,000. For now. We'll do heading F. So Cindy 1 Sierra. No transition. Okay, here we go. Let's call for a clearance. Frankfurt Tower, hello. Lufthansa 86, Airbus A321, information Bravo. Stand Alpha 40, request clearance Munich, information Bravo.
Lufthansa 86, Frankfurt Tower, hello, Bravo correct, startup approved, cleared München, Munich, via Cindy 1 Sierra departure, flight and route, climb 4000 feet, squawk 1000.
Lufthansa 86, startup approved, cleared München, Cindy 1 Sierra departure, flight plan route, climb 4000, squawk 1000.
Lufthansa 86, read correct.
That's a very unique squawk code. It says squawk 1000. Wow. Okay. So 1 Sierra. Airways Zulu 74 T104. Ano nga ba call sign ng BOX? Nakalimutan ko na eh. What does box mean? What's the call sign of box? Cause I don't know. I have no idea. Okay, München is gonna be okay, let's go ILS 08 and then let's see. Let me just replan this, guys. Hold on. ILS 08 left. Aero logic. Okay. What aircraft am I gonna learn? I don't know. I mean, I'm studying the 737-700 now, if that counts. Because when I flew the 737-700, it's different from the 737-800 Sobra. So I'm like trying to control it. It's a challenge, but I like it. Alright, here we go. So if we have to do an alternate, the 08 left from München. Yeah. Yeah, actually I streamed this this morning, Facebook. It was a visual approach into the US, Burbank. It was an exciting approach. Let's see. First I'm gonna put the block fuel. We're gonna put 5-6. LHH, okay, 5,600. So the alternate flight plan will be INPUD 3 Quebec to INPUD, and then Yankee 102 to Upala. And then Nuremberg arrival will be 10. No star. Okay, Radnav, we put Frankfurt Main, and a course of 248. Okay, init B. So the ZFW we have been asked to load for this aircraft is going to be 67.166. Let's see, 67.166. 7.176. No, actually, let's put it on 600 instead. Apply these load settings. So ZFW is going to be 67.2. ZG is going to be 26.9. The block fuel is going to be 5.6. And I will do my own takeoff calculation off stream. Stand by, guys. Whoop, hold on. Aero logic, okay. I'll listen. I'll look out for him on frequency. Maybe I'm gonna hear Toga if he comes through, you know. Okay, config 2. Of course, I'm not gonna use the calculator here. So config 2 trim is going to be up 0.2. B1 BRV2, so okay, flex 77, 154, 154, 154. Wow, that's great. Let's do 800, 3000 again. So airport location is 364. Make it 370, 1170, and 3370.
Hold point for runway 18 by November 3, November, chance 39 X-ray Alpha.
170. And that from the Sputnik streams. Per prog, so EDDF 25 left. Secondary flight plan, copy active, secondary flight plan, new destination, EDDF, and then arrivals will be 25 left. And DLHH. Okay, here we go. So I'm gonna turn on the APU so that yeah, we'll turn on the APU so we can turn it on later. Alright, here we go. So timers are reset. FD's on, constraint, QH1008 set, 1008 set. We're gonna do a nav, no, arc 20, my side arc 10, speed dashes, heading dashes, Alt 4000 and VS dashes. PFD reading, climb nav blue, 1FD2, 154 blue, 154 magenta, wings level, 4000 blue, 370 feet indicated on QNH 1008, heading 148, ND, ground speed 0, present position, heading 148, VR2 is hard tuned to the Frankfurt VOR, pressure, landing elevation, all on 1480 feet, status of the aircraft is normal. Alright, so let's do a departure briefing, guys. This is Lufthansa 86 from Frankfurt to Munich. Aircraft we're using is Delta Alpha India Sierra Papa. It is an Airbus Airbus A321-231 with IE Victor 2533-Alpha 5 engines. Nav database cycle 2011's current status of the aircraft is normal, no MELs, CDLs, OEBs, any technical items affecting our departure. So right now we're parked at spot Alpha 40. We'll be pushed back facing west on November 7. Expected taxi routing to November 7. So chart 10-9, 21st August 2020. It's going to be right November, or it can be like one of the November links here to Lima for intersection departure for runway 18. We'll then be departing the Cindy 1 RNAV departure, chart 10-3, Echo 1, 17th May 2019, effective 23rd May, same airport, same location, SID. MSA for this procedure from the Frankfurt main VOR from the north-northeast sector, clockwise west-northwest sector, 3,500, north sector, 4,300. Departure frequency would be Langen radar. Actually, there's approach rather, but I believe center is online. Airport elevation 364, transition altitude 5,000. Contact Langen radar whenever advised by tower. SID are noise abatement procedures. Adhere within limits of aircraft performance. Expect obstacles. Wind shears and increased turbulences must be expected. Do not turn before the departure end of runway. Cindy 1 Sierra runway 18 departure is as follows. Initial climb clearance is 4,000. SID Cindy 1 Sierra. RNAV equipment as necessary. Routing on climb on runway track 800 or 12 to 800 or 12 DME. Read whichever is later. So max 220 knots until establishment on 17 track, and then max 220 knots until established on radial 0901. Read 0901 radial to the east to Amtix, and then to Cindy. Right, so operationally, we've got information Bravo, runway 25, runway 18 is in use for departure, and the other runways for arrivals will be expecting runway 18, wind 1807, temperature 18, QNH 1008. So operationally, this will be a right seat takeoff standard, speeds calculated for a dry runway 18, full length flaps 2, trim up 0.2, flex 77. V1 VR V2 154, 154, 154, transition altitude 5,000, thrust reduction, acceleration altitude 1,170 and 3,370 feet respectively. Engine acceleration 1,170 feet. So once we push back at the gate, we'll do one engine taxi, start engine 1 first, until we turn right on the straightaway. Here on November, we'll start engine 2. Anti-ice, let's see. Yeah, no anti-ice. Will be off. Packs on takeoff. And if you have to return back to the field, no overweight landing to consider. Right, that's our departure briefing, safety briefing. For any failure before V1 of the call stop, I'll apply maximum for any failure before V1 of the call stop, I'll apply maximum reversers, full braking, and one stop on the runway. I'll set the parking brakes. If a fire is evident, I'll call cabin crew to stations. Otherwise, I'll call cabin crew and passengers to remain seated and order reconnections. If an evacuation is needed, we'll follow the evacuation procedure on the opposite side of the normal checklist. Pilot monitoring actions will be to monitor spoilers, reverse green decel, one stop on the runway. I'll call out Lufthansa 86 stopping on the runway. So for any failure after V1 of the calls go, continue to take off, apply toga thrust if available. No action for 400 AGL except gear up and silencing oil warnings. Reaching 400 AGL, have controls, comms, cloud and frequency, pan. Lufthansa 86 for the nature of the emergency, and order ecom actions. Reaching engine acceleration altitude if the engine is secure. Push the level off, clean up and accelerate, otherwise continue to climb until the engine is secure, but not have maximum engine acceleration altitude. At green dot speed, pull up and climb, set thrust MCT, resume ECAM after takeoff checklist status. Our EOS ID will maintain runway heading initially, climb full MSA. Vectors back through, let's say runway 25 left. If ATC is unable to provide services or landing is red, we'll go ahead and enter left runway for runway 25 left, commit some emergency landing. So, pilot monitoring applying CRM at all times. If you see any deviations from the center, call it out. If we need to cross-check any instruments or any flight controls, call it out. Have any questions? No? Alright. Departure briefing is complete. So, no changes to the load sheet. Disconnect the external power.
In case of missed approach, climb 5,000 feet on runway heading.
External power disconnected.
In case missed approach, maintain runway heading,
and let's
do VSO approach 25
actually let me just
Ground to cockpit. Please show me where you want to go. Driving up.
0 degrees, 7 knots, runway 25 center, clear to land. Runway 25 center, clear to land.
parking brake off.
Lufthansa 321 X-ray Alpha, wind 18.
Okay, parking brake on.
Runway 18, clear for takeoff.
Before start checklist, popper prep completed. Gear pits and covers removed. Signs on auto ADRS. Now fuel quantity 5,580 kilograms set. Takeoff data set. Barrel ref QNH 1008 set. 1008 set. Down to the line. Bulb line. Stand by. Cabin is ready. Attendant seats, doors to auto cross check. Thrust levers idle, parking brake on.
Okay, all doors and hatches are closed. Ready to connect. Set parking brake.
Yeah, the parking brake is set. Bulb line, windows and doors closed, beacon on, thrust levers idle, parking brake on. Before start checklist complete. And parking brake off as well. Chat DLH 86 off block. Frankfurt Tower Lufthansa 86 stand Alpha 40 request push and start.
Lufthansa 86 pushback approved.
Pushback approved Lufthansa 86. Okay.
Ground to cockpit. Please show me where you want to go.
So just short of this line is good enough.
Lufthansa 321 X-ray Alpha, wind, correction, contact line.
Now connected and bypass been inserted. Release parking brake.
Released.
Starting pushback, and you may start the engines.
Okay, let's run that timer. Off block is 1359 Zulu with 5,580 kilograms.
Lufthansa 999 Frankfurt Tower, hello, meet you 5.
So again, we'll start engine 1 as per one engine taxi procedure. Once we cross this line, the roadway.
Ready for motion now. Lufthansa 694, squawk 114.
Dual selector ignition. No other ember crosses. Bleeder on the left, starting engine 1. Here we go. Hey, Southwest 001, welcome to the Sky Blue Simulation stream. Hello, hello, you're just in time. This is the second leg from Frankfurt to Munich. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hope you're keeping safe and having a great day.
Speedbird 245, you are aiming for taxiway Mike.
Really? Taxiway Mike, I gotta see this.
Speedbird 245, go around. Top, go around.
Oh, that go around. Oh well. At least he went around.
Speedbird 245, on present heading, climb 5,000 feet and contact
A321, yes.
120
It is the new update of ToLiSs. They updated to version 1.1, so I'm trying this out. So far it's good. We had a good landing earlier. Alright. So ELEC pump on.
Yeah, no problem.
Cross bleed open, AP bleed off. Just needed. Pilot monitoring. Arm, spoilers, reset rudder trim, flaps. 2.
Operation complete. Please set parking brake.
Parking brake set, pressure up.
904, pushback.
Disconnecting tow. Stand by.
I wonder if the 694. Right, status of the aircraft. Good so far. Clear to disconnect, hand signals on the left.
Tower is disconnected and bypass pin has been removed. Hand signal on the left. I'll see you next time. Have a safe flight.
Alright, you have a good day then. Roger. Alright, let's request taxi. Lufthansa 86, request taxi.
Lufthansa 86, taxi to holding point runway 18 via November 7 and November.
Holding point runway 18 via November 7, November Lufthansa 86. Okay, clear left side. Okay, hand signals and pins received. Clear left side, clear right side. Runway turn off and taxi lights on. Parking brake. Off, pressure 0. Brakes check. Pressure 0. Alright, let's go. So we'll do one engine taxi to conserve fuel. November 7, so we turn left here. That's the first one that we see. And this is November, so clear left side. Clear right side. There we go.
Frankfurt Tower, schönen guten Tag. Die Lufthansa 3 Bravo Lima at stand Alpha 36 information, Charlie on board, request start up to destination Hamburg. Lufthansa 3 Bravo Lima, Frankfurt Tower, hallo, stand by, call you back.
Alright, so once we get a beam this taxiway, we'll start engine number 2. Engine number 2.
Frankfurt Tower, Google, Lufthansa 871, ILS 25 left.
Lufthansa 871, Frankfurt Tower, hallo, able visual approach runway 25 center. Lufthansa 871, in case of missed approach, climb 5,000 feet on runway heading, clear visual approach runway 25 center.
In case of missed approach, runway 5,000.
Alright, let's do this.
Center, Lufthansa 871.
Pump
Lufthansa
off.
871, respect correct, at 180.36 knots,
on.
runway 25 center, clear to land.
Ignition, no amber crosses, bleed air on the right starting engine 2.
Lufthansa 3 Bravo Lima, information Charlie current, startup approved, cleared Hamburg via Maroon 6 Mike departure.
I should have done this with ignition, ELEC pump off, and if you bleed on, and then starting engine 2.
Startup approved, cleared Hamburg via Maroon 6 Mike departure, flight planned route, initial climb flight level 70 and squawk 1000, Lufthansa 3 Bravo Lima. Lufthansa 3 Bravo Lima, read back correct. Lufthansa 3 Bravo Lima, requesting pushback.
Lufthansa 3 Bravo Lima, squawk 1000.
Good start on engine 2, engine will select turn norm. House bleed auto, if you bleed off, AP master switch off. Force pop monitoring.
Lufthansa 3 Bravo Lima, pushback approved.
Alright, after start checklist, NTIs off, beacon status. Check, pitch trim 26% CG set, rudder trim 0. After start checklist complete. Stand by for flight controls check.
Lufthansa 6994, ready for taxi. Lufthansa 6994, taxi to holding point runway 18 via November 8 and November.
Okay, flight controls checked. Full up, full down, neutral, full left, full right, neutral, rudder, full left, full right, neutral. For takeoff checklist, flight controls check, flight instruments check, briefing runway 18, Cindy 10 departure confirmed. Flap setting, config 2, V1 VRV2, flex temp, 154 blue, 154 magenta, flex 77, ATC squawking 1000, mode transponder set, ECAM mode takeoff no blue, down to the line.
Average cargo 134, read back correct.
Alright guys, we'll be taking off. Ooh, we bumped into something there.
Lufthansa 86, wind 180 degrees, 6 knots, runway 18, cleared for takeoff.
Runway 18 clear for takeoff, Lufthansa 86. Let's send in seats for departure. No, I forgot to do, takeoff no blue. Non-standard, non-standard. Sorry guys. Whew, I'm a bit distracted today. Runway 18 confirmed, 18 confirmed. Below line, takeoff runway 18 confirmed. Cabin crew advised TCAS, I'll do TRA. Engine mode selector norm, packs on, 4 takeoff checklist complete. Alright, here we go. Again. Takeoff.
Check.
Manflex 77 SRS auto thrust blue.
Check. Thrust set.
Good afternoon, Frankfurt Tower. This is Lufthansa 99, requesting clearance to London Luton as far as information Bravo.
Check.
Lufthansa 99, Frankfurt Tower, hello, information Charlie, Karen, startup approved, cleared London Luton. Via Oboka 1, Mike departure, flight land route, climb flight level 70, squawk 2117.
Rotate.
Squawk 2117, initial 70.
Gear up.
And Boca 1 Mike, departure, Lufthansa 99.
Lufthansa 999, read back correct. Lufthansa 86, contact Langen radar on 120.8, bye bye.
120.8 on Langen radar. Lufthansa 86, bye bye.
Lufthansa 871, welcome to Frankfurt taxi.
Thrust climb, bottom thrust.
Check.
Langen radar, hello, Lufthansa 86, 1500, climbing 4000.
86, Langen radar identified, climb flight level 110.
Climb flight level 110, Lufthansa 86. Oh. Turbulence.
Gear up and locked.
Flight level 110.
Select flight 110.
Open climb.
Open climb. Select.
Thrust climb, open climb, all flight level 110 blue.
Lufthansa 86, direct Harem.
Direct Harem, Lufthansa 86. Flaps 1.
Speed check. Flaps 1.
Autopilot 2 on.
Autopilot 2. Active.
Direct Harem with a beam points. Check nav. Direct Harem with a beam points. I believe I said flaps 1.
Transition altitude.
Stand by. Alright, so it's a smooth departure so far. We've got some bumpy weather on the climb. We'll put the seatbelts remaining on for now. Flaps 0.
Speed check. Flaps up.
Flap 0 flow.
Roger.
Okay, altimeter standard. Standard set cross check. Passing 6,000 feet now. Check, no difference. After takeoff checklist.
Yep. Checklist. Okay, let's go. After takeoff. Checklist. Land gear.
Up. Retracted. On.
Lufthansa 6, contact Lang radar 127.72, goodbye.
127.72 Lufthansa 86. Bye bye.
Beaver 245.
And below the line. Okay. Ref standard set. After takeoff climb checklist complete. Langen radar hello. Lufthansa 86. Flight level 80. Climbing flight level 110.
Lufthansa 86, Langen identified climb flight level 210.
Climb flight level 210. Lufthansa 86. Okay, flight level 210 set. All flight level 210 blue.
Skyway 229, wind is calm, runway 25, Cleveland, long
Departed.
rollout is approved.
Okay.
No.
Clear land 25, Skyway 229.
No. Okay, so we departed 5 minutes ago. That's gonna be
Lufthansa 9 Delta Romeo, der nächste Landsektor,
409.
nicht mehr da, weiter auf Unicom, ciao, ciao, gute Landung.
Weiter auf Unicom, vielen Dank, ganz klar, ciao.
Passing 10,000 feet. Seatbelts on. We still have some turbulence. Landing lights are tracked. Airport. Train on ND. Okay, copy secondary. Clear AdNav. Lead Prague. Optimal flight level 360. Recommend max flight level 379er. Checked. Status of the aircraft is normal. And looks like you've stabilized, so seatbelts on off for now. Alright, so top of climb, guys, it's going to be top of climb is going to be at 1419er, then top of descent will be 1426. So 7 minutes of cruising. Let's try and get some kind of cinematics out of this. Enjoy for now. So I'll be reading the charts while we do this.
Good evening, control, Spielberg 886 Quebec at flight level 350 inbound Madrid.
Level 886 Quebec London identified. Proceed direct to Corbin.
Can you repeat that, sir? Sorry.
Direct to Corbin. Kilo Oscar Mike India Bravo.
Direct call me the Spielberg 886 Quebec, many thanks.
Going to Lana taxi stand 62 via hotel and Raglan Mike.
Second to the hotel, they will make together to that.
From the 6 Lima Kilo, continue on Munich 112, that's right, auf Wiedersehen.
122 decimal 8, number 6 Lima Kilo, Mountain.
Oh no, look, Munich is offline now. What? No way. I get the worst luck. So it's always departures. Oh my god, really?
Ryanair 125 Charlie, proceed direct Delta, Foxtrot 613, descent flight level 100.
Proceed direct to Delta Foxtrot 613, descent flight level 100.
Yeah, we gotta start preparing for the approach now. Speed alt star. And alt cruise, so we do transponder below. Check the status of the aircraft. Size of aircraft is normal. Alright. Speed alt cruise nav APT 1 FT2 auto thrust. Maintain flight level 210 and speed managed. My controls. So Munich, the last time we took the ATIS, it was a QNH of 1013. The temperature was let's see, 17. The wind was 160 at 6. Condition level was going to be 70. ILS 8 left is what we're going to be aiming for.
Lagen, weather, good evening, Lufthansa 694.
1670.
Level 80, climb at level 130.
Victor 694, Langen Huddle, identified, climb flight level 310.
Flight level 310, see Lufthansa 694.
Anora. So Anora at or below 250. Zerum. Rom, max 280 knots. At or below flight level 130. Walda. Then Mike. Sorry, no, Rokill, and then Mike. Initial approach. 3. Mike. So 4.
Ryanair 125 Charlie, contact Frankfurt arrival 120 destination.
Frankfurt arrival 120 destination, 125 Charlie, choose.
And then Munich 338.
Langen
Radar, schönen guten Abend. Die Lufthansa 3 Bravo Lima, Flight Level 110, Landing, Flight Level 130, inbound Abflug. Lufthansa 3 Bravo Lima, Lage 9, identity Flight Level 300, after Natsu, direct no-go. Flight Level 300, after Natsu, direct no-go, Lufthansa 3 Bravo Lima.
Okay. So Prague is going to be Munich, EDDM-0 left. Then secondary will load arrivals. ILS 08 right. So if ever we do ILS 08 right, it's still going to be the same. Novia. Okay, so we'll do flaps full, auto brake medium, and release the brakes quickly.
Tower 7, Langen Radar.
Alright, here we go. So arrival briefing. So guys, this is Lufthansa 86.
Covering Germany.
Yeah, Lufthansa 86 landing in Munich. The aircraft we're using is Delta Alpha India Sierra Papa. Sierra Papa.
You can leave this frequency and monitor Unicom on
Airbus A321-231 IAB 2533-Alpha engines. Nav database cycle to health levels. Current status of the aircraft is normal. No MEL, CDLs, or OVs, technical items affecting arrival. The last ATIS we got at Munich was information kilo. ILS 08 left. Transition level is 7,000. Wind 1606. QH 1013. We're going to be planning for runway 8 left. Fuel remaining at the destination is going to be 3.3 tons. Extra fuel, 1 ton. Extra time is 24 minutes. 24 minutes. So right now we're on the Tango 104 airway. Delta Kilo Bravo, Levu, Anora. Anora will be part of the star.
It's a brilliant Bravo, Oscar, Romeo, Echo, Papa.
It's direct board at Turkish 991. The Speedbird 851 Tango, apologies. Have you got any information on the landing runway for Munich?
The Speedbird 9, correction, Speedbird 851 Tango, I will figure something out for you. Step by, I'll call you back.
Okay, thank you.
The Lufthansa 86 request lower.
Lufthansa 86, continue on the Anova 3 Alpha arrival and monitor Unicom.
Continue on Nova 3 Alpha arrival and monitor Unicom. Thanks for ATC, Lufthansa 86. Okay, so we'll be descending our own discretion then. Let's go 5,000. Actually, wait. Flight level 130. Okay, managed to descend. Thrust level descent, alt level 130 blue. Okay, so let's do this. Briefing. So Anora 3 Alpha arrival, chart 10-2 Charlie 1, 21st June 2019 from Munich Airport, Munich, Germany arrival. MSA for this procedure from the Munich locator at 3,700 feet. 21st June 2019. ATC 0, so the last ATC we got was Kilo. Altimeter setting hectopascals, transition level by ATC. We had 7,000 on the level. Transition level 70. BR nav equipment necessary. Usage of the starting clearance limit is mandatory when reaching the first point of a star. Anor 3 Alpha. All runways arrivals, max 250 knots below flight level 100 hours by ATC, not applicable within airspace Charlie. lost comms procedure, maintain last cleared. Flight level to the initial approach fix. Descend your holding pattern to flight level 80 for standard instrument approach. Enter holding pattern, expect the GPS. So Honora at or below flight level 250, then Zerum. If we have to hold, non-standard holding left turns, holding between 5000 and flight level 80. And then view RAM, runway 08 at or below flight level 130. Rocal, the clearance limit. If you have to hold at Rocal, standard holding, right turns between 5000 flight level 80. Maintain last, enter holding pattern, expect GPS for RNAV transition for radar vectoring to final. If not, so technically from Rocal, we can go straight for radar vectors. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna clear Rocal. Okay, I'm gonna do this. So Magat. After Rocal, so we'll clear a whole bunch of these. We're still on profile. So from Rocal, we'll go direct to Magat for the ILS runway 08 left. Chart 11-1, 27th December 2019, effective 2nd January. From Munich Airport, Munich, Germany. ILS for localizer runway 08 left. Config of ToLiSs published. Again, ATC 0. Localizers India Mike November Echo 109.5. Final approach course is 080. Glide slope intercept altitude is 2700 at 3.9 DME. India Mike November Echo. Category 1. Descent altitude 1670. Airport elevation 1487. Runway elevation 1467. MSA from the Munich locator will be 3700. DME required. So if we take the approach from Magat, Magat by 5000 and join the final approach course of 080 down to minimum as published 3 degrees. We'll do a fully managed early decelerated approach, the ILS. So 5000 and then follow the 3 degree glide path down to minimum as published. At minimums, if you don't have the required runway environment in sight, including this approach lighting system, sequence flashers type 2 and PAPI on the left side, the missed approach is to climb straight ahead to 1 DME east of Delta Mike November or Munich 1900, whichever is later, then turn left direct to Mike NDB climbing the 5000. So otherwise, if we continue our landing on runway 08 left, chart 10-9, 1st May 2020, same airport, same location. Runway 08 left, runway heading 080. We'll be using maximum reversers. Auto brake medium, expect to vacate at Alpha 7 as preferred by the charts. Sorry, Alpha 8. Yeah, Alpha 8, and then we'll pick a spot anywhere on Terminal 2. We can do whatever this nearest spot is, Alpha 8. Right on Mike, left Alpha 9, then Terminal 2. Right now we've set our VR2 should be tuned to NDB actually. NDB1, ADF1 is set to the Munich locator, ADF2 set Mike NDB. Alright, so that's our arrival briefing, guys. Oh. Let's do 140. Oh, sorry. So to maintain 5000. DS minus 3500 blue. Alt flight level 050 blue. Okay, speed brakes full. JB, hello, hello, welcome. You're just in time for the landing on the second leg. Welcome, welcome. Glad you're here. Okay, push to level off.
Crossing 10,000.
Crossing 10,000, seatbelts on, landing lights on. LS. Constrained terrain on ND. Status of the aircraft is normal. Thrust idle, descent, alt, flight level 050 blue. Okay, approach checklist, briefing, confirm ECAM status, check. Seatbelts on, BARF, standard, standby. Minimum, MD 1670 set, engine mode selector norm, down to the line. Okay, speed brakes retracted, should be good. On 09.5. It's called Mike November Echo. I don't have the airport in sight yet. Munich traffic, Lufthansa 86, Airbus A321, 20-mile final ILS runway 08 left. Okay, set QNH 1013 on passing 7,000. Pass the transition level, set QNH 1013. 1013, set cross check, passing 6,800 now. Check, no difference. Okay, below the line, BARF, QNH 1013 set, 1013 set. First checklist complete. Alright, I guess we're going to be doing this by ourselves. So, sterile cockpit, and here we go. Okay, India Mike November Echo identified. I'll let this aircraft land by itself. There we go. And we'll clear ourselves for the ILS approach. So, RMD approach. GS Loc Blue Cat 3 Dual AP 1 and 2. And if we have to do mist, we do 5,000 still. Flaps 1.
Speed check. Flaps 1. Transition altitude.
Already done that. Speed, GS lock star. Flaps 2.
Speed, check flaps 2.
And our airport in sight.
EFES for airports has been pressed.
Runway in sight.
Check,
GS loc.
check.
Two 2,500.
Check.
Okay, beginning flow.
Flaps 2.
Speed, check flaps 2.
Gear down.
Gear speed,
2,000.
check. Go down.
Flaps 3.
Speed, check flaps 3.
Flaps full.
Speed, check flaps 4.
Landing checklist. Cabin crew. Advise auto thrust speed, auto brake medium, ECA memo, landing no blue. Landing checklist complete. Alright, let's do this. We'll do this manually, of course. Alright, here we go. Here runway in sight. Munich traffic. Lufthansa 86, 5 mile final runway 08 left. Okay, disconnecting autopilot, manual flight. Cat 1. And auto thrust off.
Master caution. feet above ground.
Check.
1,000.
Check stabilized.
Five hundred.
500 feet.
Check.
Four hundred.
Land.
300. 200. 100. 50. 40. 30. 20. Retard. Retard. 10. 5.
Reverse. 3.
Manual braking.
17 knots.
Munich traffic's Lufthansa 86 vacated runway 08 left. Taxiing terminal 2.
Traffic Lufthansa 11-5, corrected 5 November, Ireland Edge right.
Clean up.
Clean up.
so after landing checklist, flaps, try to expose this arm, review, start, radar off, entry off. After landing checklist complete. Alright. Yard side, clear left side. We'll take any gate, the nearest one here. Alright guys, good stream, 2 good landings for me. I like the ToLiSsA A321, looks better, feels better, operates better, clicks better. I love it. It looks like we're gonna go uphill for a bit. Yeah, let's take this nearest gate here. Approaching the gate.
Roger. Ready for parking.
It's a parking that goes downhill. Visual guidance docking system A321.
Echo Delta Delta mic check.
Brake on.
Parking brake set.
Okay, got flaps up, fuel's disarmed. And the APU is available, so engine 1 and 2 off. On block 1445 Zulu. And 3680. Okay. Parking flow.
Parking flow. Ready for parking checklist.
Parking checklist APU bleed on, engines off, seat belts off, exterior lights, nav logo 1 set, fuel pumps off, parking brake and shocks, parking brake on, negative shocks. Parking checklist complete. Alright, so guys, we are going to get the replays on. Welcome to Munich, where we came from a while ago. So we're going to disconnect from VATSIM. Also going to quit that. And start off with the replay. Guys, enjoy the replays. You floated a bit there. Oops. Yeah, a bit of floating. It was a good landing, although there was a float that was dangerous. Alright. Not bad. Bit of float there. Alright, last is going to be this view. Alright guys, this is going to be the last view. Once we touch down, I'm going to end the stream. And guys, I hope you enjoyed the stream. Again, this is Sky Blue Simulations, Sky Blue, aka Drew. Hope you enjoyed the stream. Have a good day, rest of your day, rest of your night. Keep safe, peace.
400.
Chief Sim Pilot, again, thank you for thanks for sticking to the stream.
300.
Hope you have a good day and keep safe, man. Until then, again guys, Sky Blue Simulations, Sky Blue aka Drew, signing out, peace and see ya!
200. 100. 50. 40. 30. 20. Retard. 10. 5.